Hey guys, it's Devin, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of vegan bodybuilding. Now I know what you might be thinking, is it even possible to build muscle on a vegan diet? Absolutely. It's a common misconception that you need to be pounding chicken breasts and protein shakes to see gains. In this video, we're going to debunk that myth and equip you with all the knowledge you need to thrive as a vegan looking to build muscle. We'll be covering essential tips for maximizing muscle growth on a plant-based diet, and I'll be sharing my favorite high-protein vegan foods that will fuel your workouts and help you recover like a champ. So, whether you're a seasoned vegan athlete or just starting your plant-based journey, this video is for you. Get ready to learn, get inspired, and get those vegan gains. Let's address the elephant in the room right off the bat. Yes, you can absolutely build muscle on a vegan diet. The myth that animal products are essential for muscle growth is just that, a myth. Many successful athletes and bodybuilders have proven time and time again that plant-based diets can fuel incredible strength and physique transformations. Take Patrick Baboumian, for example, a world-renowned strongman who has broken countless records on a vegan diet. Or Kendrick Ferris, an Olympic weightlifter who competed at the highest level fueled by plants. These athletes are living proof that with the right approach to training and nutrition, you can achieve your muscle-building goals on a vegan diet. The key misconception often lies in understanding protein. While it's true that animal products tend to be complete protein sources, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need, plant-based foods can absolutely provide all of these amino acids as well. It just takes a little more planning and awareness of what you're eating. Don't fall into the trap of thinking you need to consume massive amounts of protein either. While protein is crucial for muscle repair and growth, focusing on overall calorie intake and a balanced macronutrient profile is far more important. Building muscle on a vegan diet is not only possible, but also incredibly sustainable and beneficial for your overall health. Stick with me and I'll show you how. Now let's talk protein, the building block of muscle growth. While you don't need to go overboard, ensuring you're consuming adequate protein on a vegan diet is essential. A general guideline for those looking to build muscle is to aim for around 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. So if you weigh 150 pounds, you'd aim for 120 to 150 grams of protein per day. There are tons of delicious and convenient ways to hit your protein goals on a vegan diet. From legumes like lentils and chickpeas to tofu, tempeh, and seitan, the options are endless. Apps like MyFitnessPal or Chronometer can be super helpful for tracking your protein intake. And remember, consistency is key. Aim to distribute your protein intake evenly throughout the day to optimize muscle protein synthesis. You can eat all the protein in the world, but if you're not stimulating your muscles through strength training, those gains just won't come. Resistance training is the key driver of muscle growth, regardless of your diet. For beginners, I always recommend starting with compound exercises. These are movements that work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, giving you the most bang for your buck. Squats, deadlifts, rows, overhead presses, and bench presses are all fantastic compound exercises to incorporate into your routine. Aim to lift weights at least 2 to 3 times per week, focusing on progressive overload. This simply means gradually increasing the weight, reps, or sets over time to challenge your muscles and promote growth. Make it a habit, stick to your program, and you'll start seeing those vegan gains in no time. Now let's talk about meal planning, your secret weapon for staying on track and maximizing your results. When you're trying to build muscle on a vegan diet, it's easy to fall into the trap of relying on processed vegan junk food. While these options can be convenient, they're often lacking in the nutrients your body needs to recover and build muscle effectively. That's where meal planning comes in. By taking some time each week to plan out your meals, you can ensure you're getting a good balance of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats, along with all the essential vitamins and minerals your body needs. Nutrient timing is another important aspect of meal planning. While it's not absolutely essential, consuming protein shortly after your workouts can help optimize muscle protein synthesis and recovery. Consider cooking your meals in bulk on the weekends, so you have healthy and delicious options ready to grab and go throughout the week. Let's talk about supplements. While they're not a magic bullet, Certain supplements can be beneficial for vegans looking to optimize their health and muscle growth. Vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient that's not readily found in plant-based foods, so supplementation is crucial for vegans. B12 plays a vital role in energy production and red blood cell formation, both of which are essential for optimal athletic performance. Omega-3 fatty acids are another nutrient that vegans may need to supplement with. These healthy fats are crucial for reducing inflammation, supporting heart health, and promoting muscle recovery. Vegan protein powders can also be a convenient way to boost your protein intake, especially if you struggle to meet your needs through whole foods alone. However, it's crucial to remember that supplements are just that, supplements. They're not a substitute for a healthy diet and lifestyle. Now let's talk about the most important factor in your muscle building journey: consistency. Building muscle takes time, effort, and dedication, regardless of your diet. There's no magic pill or quick fix. The key is to stay consistent with your training and nutrition plan, even when you don't feel like it. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Remember, muscle growth is a gradual process that requires patience and persistence. Focus on making small, sustainable changes to your diet and lifestyle, and stick with them over the long haul. Celebrate your progress along the way, and don't be afraid to ask for support when you need it. Let's move on to the stars of the show, the best high-protein vegan foods that will fuel your gains. And first up, we have lentils, a nutritional powerhouse packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. 1 cup of cooked lentils provides a whopping 18 grams of protein, making them an excellent source of plant-based protein to support muscle growth. They're also rich in fiber, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, making it easier to stick to your calorie goals. Lentils are incredibly versatile and affordable, making them a staple in any vegan diet. You can add them to soups, stews, salads, or even use them as a base for veggie burgers. One of my favorite ways to enjoy lentils is in a hearty lentil soup with vegetables and spices. Next up, we have chickpeas, another fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber. 1 cup of cooked chickpeas provides around 15 grams of protein, making them a great addition to your diet. Chickpeas are incredibly versatile and can be used in countless ways. They're a staple in Mediterranean and Middle Eastern cuisine, adding a creamy texture and nutty flavor to dishes. You can roast them with spices for a crunchy snack, toss them into salads, or blend them into hummus. One of my favorite ways to use chickpeas is in a chickpea curry with vegetables and coconut milk. Let's move on to soy products, starting with tofu and tempeh, 2 incredibly versatile and nutrient-rich options for vegans. Tofu, made from coagulated soy milk, is a great source of protein, calcium, and iron. It's relatively flavorless, making it a blank canvas for absorbing flavors from sauces and spices. Tempeh, on the other hand, is made from fermented soybeans, giving it a firmer texture and nuttier flavor. It's also a good source of prebiotics, which can promote gut health. Next up, we have quinoa, a complete protein source that's also gluten-free and easy to digest. 1 cup of cooked quinoa provides around 8 grams of protein, along with fiber, iron, and magnesium. Quinoa is incredibly versatile and can be used in sweet or savory dishes. You can use it as a base for breakfast bowls, salads, or even as a substitute for rice or couscous. One of my favorite ways to enjoy quinoa is in a quinoa salad with roasted vegetables, chickpeas, and a lemon tahini dressing. Finally, let's not forget about nuts and seeds, small but mighty sources of protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients. Almonds, cashews, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds are all great options to incorporate into your diet. They're perfect for snacking on the go, adding to trail mixes, or sprinkling over salads and yogurt. One of my favorite ways to enjoy nuts and seeds is in a homemade trail mix with a variety of nuts, seeds, dried fruit, and dark chocolate chips. Now, let's talk about vegan protein powder, a convenient and effective way to boost your protein intake, especially if you're struggling to meet your needs through whole foods alone. There are tons of great vegan protein powders on the market these days, made from sources like pea protein, brown rice protein, soy protein isolate, and hemp protein. Vegan protein powders can be added to smoothies, shakes, oatmeal, or even baked goods for an extra protein boost. When choosing a vegan protein powder, look for one that's low in added sugars, artificial sweeteners, and fillers. So there you have it, guys. Everything you need to know to build muscle and thrive on a vegan diet. Remember, it all starts with a solid foundation of nutrient-dense whole foods, consistent strength training, and a sprinkle of patience and dedication. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more evidence-based fitness and nutrition content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Now I want to hear from you. What are your favorite high-protein vegan foods? Share your tips and experiences in the comments below.